Hello viewers, are you experiencing TikTok? You have reached your daily limit error problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all tap on return for now. Now tap on profile icon. Tap on three line icon. Now go to settings and privacy option. Now here you can see time and well-being option. Just tap on this option. Now tap on screen time option. Here you can see daily screen time limit. Now turn off daily screen time limit and then go back to home screen. Now press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After following all this process, your problem will be solved successfully.